So I ordered the truck in like June of 2017.
Okay.
It came in October of 17. It was just a cab and a frame.
Okay.
December time frame, I put fenders on it, a couple other knick-knacky things. But I basically was waiting for my time slot to get ARI to put the bunk on.
Okay.
So it went up in April of 18. The bunk got completed the end of May. So ARI did that custom sleeper. It's a 124-inch sleeper.
Okay.
Since then, I brought it out here to Joplin Peterbilt at Truck Rods. That's their body shop. And we painted the stripes. We put the deck plates on. And again, a few other trinket items. So the truck has not rolled yet. It's got about 1,000 miles on it. Just getting ready to get it on the road. It's going to pull a flatbed. Ordered a flatbed from East Manufacturing. That'll be in December. And I guess, you know, the interesting story about the truck, in my opinion, I have been working in corporate America for 25 years. Grew up as a truck driver. My wife and I started with that truck right there.
With the 359, the witches in. Yeah.
We built a company with that truck and a few others.
Okay.
And we sold it. And I've been, you know, working in that corporate world. The people that bought me out, I've kind of been, you know, working in that arena in the waste business. And I got to, you know, a place of some comfort financially, and I just don't want to work commercially anymore. So worked out a deal with the ownership. I'm going to be leaving my employment in January. And because my health is still decent, I'm going to go try to drive a little bit. So get the crux behind career gambler.
Yeah, sure.
Because at 56 years old, I'm going to stop working and try to drive again.
Are you going to be working in that business that you built with?
I'm going to be working pulling a flatbed like my wife does.
Okay.
We grew up in the waste business.
Okay.
We hauled hazardous waste, and then I've been working in that field for 25 years.
Yeah.
Well, like right now, I have the truck leased at my own company that I run, Heritage, just to give me some legality so I can drive it around. But I hope to have it running March of 19.
Okay.
And I hope to have it, you know, leased on to somebody in a flatbed arena. You know, one of the things that I talk about a lot, I don't think any of us are doing enough to pay it forward. Right. So you think about promoting the next generation. I mean, who's doing that?
Right.
So I'm hoping that I can go out and meet some folks like I'm doing here today and maybe help encourage the young kids to get in the business.
Yeah.
Because as much as we talk about autonomous trucks, I don't think it's here for the next generation. I mean, it might be in the future, but it's probably not here for this generation. So I still think we got to drive, right? In the world of everyone building gliders, again, I'm a guy who kind of cuts across the grain a little bit. I've been running a fleet with all new engines, and I know a lot about this Paccar motor, and maybe when it first came out, it wasn't the best. So 2010 through 2012, I had my own trials and tribulations, but this updated engine, the 2018 model, the one canister, I mean, let's face it, I'm walking around here yesterday and everybody's talking about deleting their DPFs and getting away from emissions, and I'm trying to do the opposite. I'm trying to show people that I think in today's world we got to embrace it. We should be trying to, like, you know, move forward. So from 10 and 11 when we were choking, right? And you know, Paccar was doing everything they could, but honestly things weren't working out. Cummins had their own fair share of problems. We had a lot of engine failures with ISX engines in 13, 14, 15. The fuel pump issue, we all kind of lived through that. You know, the company I run is based in Indiana, so I have a lot of ties to Cummins, you know. I know a lot of the corporate guys, you know, they're always trying to use us as a guinea pig to maybe help test. But I would tell you that, you know, trucks built in 17 and 18 now are really much improved. So hopefully these electronics and wiring harnesses and sensors that we all fight. Because the other thing I would tell you is we don't have big failures, big engine failures. We don't lose blocks. We don't lose connecting rods. We don't lose head gaskets. We're losing stupid stuff, wiring harnesses and stuff.